Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. It's been a while I haven't talked to you all. I missed you guys a lot. In today's video, I'm going to do BTS's Butter MV inspired nail art. So let's get into it. At first I have applied base coat on my nails, which is must. I'm applying yellow nail polish on my middle nail where I'm going to draw butter logo. To draw heart-shaped butter, I have stamped a heart at first. Then I have added different lines off camera because you know I struggle a lot on camera with freehand nail art. To do shading, I have added few white and dark yellow lines in different part of butter. On pinky and thumbnail, I have applied black nail polish. On my pinky, I am drawing BTS logo with yellow nail polish. On my thumb, I have wrote butter using white gel pen. After writing butter with white pen, I have covered it with yellow acrylic paint. You can write butter directly on your nails or you can make sticker using a nail mat and top coat. Anyways, you do make sure to practice before you give your final attempt on your nails. On my index and ring fingernail, I am applying white nail polish. On my ring fingernail, I am drawing tracksuit which one Jungkook was wearing in the music video. I loved that outfit. It even matched with his vibrant purple hair. Don't you think so? On my index, I don't know what I tried to draw, but I guess I tried to draw this one inspired from the butter card. I have stamped this pattern to look it like waffles because I didn't know how should I draw pancake, and I have added a tiny music icon at the corner of my nail. I don't know does that make any sense or not, but anyways. So here I'm finishing off my manicure with glossy top coat to make my manicure long lasting and give it a smooth and glossy finish like butter. So how was my manicure? Did you like it? Let me know by commenting down below. And thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to never miss any upload in future. See you all later. Bye bye.